Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Helping Mind. Whether your child are younger or in their teens, the Family Link app lets you set digital ground rules to help guide them as they learn, play and explore online. We can use Family Link app to set up parental controls in Android phone. Now I will show you Google Family Link how to set up parental controls through digital well-being in any Android phone. Keep watching. To enable parental controls, at first we have to go to our phone settings, tap on gear icon settings. Here I will scroll down and I have to tap on digital well-being and parental controls. And here I will scroll down and we can see parental controls. Add content restrictions and set other limits to help your child balance their screen time. I will tap on parental controls and here you can see set up parental controls with Google's Family Link. You can read the instructions. I will tap on get started. Tap on get started and who will be using this device. Here I will select child or teenager. Parent, I will select child or teenager as I will make it for my child. Next step, set up parental controls for your child. Here I will tap on next to go to the next steps. Select your child's Google account. Here I will select my Gmail account, or we can see another options, add or create account for your child. I will select my default Gmail account by tapping on it, and here I have to enter a new Gmail to supervise this parental controls. Enter the Google account that you will use to supervise your child. Here I have to put a new Gmail which I supervise this device. I am putting a Gmail. After putting it, I have to tap on next. I'll tap on next. Here I have to put the Gmail password, and you have to put the Gmail password, then tap on next to go to the next options. Checking account. Here about supervision, and you can read the whole about supervisions. You can see manage account settings and controls, limit screen time on supervised devices, and what parents cannot see or do, how to start and stop supervision, and many more options. And here we can see the device model, and you can see enter your password to finish linking accounts. To confirm you and helping have both reviewed what supervision means and want to link your accounts, and you must enter your password. Here I have to put the passwords, then tap on agree. Here allow supervisions. Here I have to put the allow, to tap on allow, and you can read the whole steps. Linking accounts. The account is now linking. We can see your account are linked. I have to tap on next, and here we can see manage the apps options, and from these options we can manage our app list to supervise these options. This apps comes with this phone. You can remove the ones that you do not want to use. You will be able to see the activity. Here I will some apps disable to supervise this device, you can see, and you can make listing as your own choice. After customizing it, you have to tap on more options. I will tap on next. One moment, it takes a couple of seconds, and here we can see manage filters and settings and other options, and you can customize these options by using these settings. I have to tap on next. Connect your device by installing Family Link. You will auto install Family Link on your devices so that you can set screen time limits, view effectivity, and many more. I have to tap on next, and Family Links will be installed my another devices in the linking device, and you have to read the whole steps. By reading the whole steps, you have to agree with the Google linking, Family linking, then tap on next. Look for Family Link on your device. Now I will see the pop-up notification to install the Family Link on my Note 7 Pro device. I have to tap on next to go to the next options. Here you have to read the whole steps, then tap on done. Parental controls are ready. Here we can see use Family Link from your own device to adjust setting and explore more options. The Family parental controls is successfully activated on this device. If we go to our quick panel, here we can see Family Link. The device is supervised with Family Link. Now the device is enabled into Family Link or parental controls. Now I will go to my Note 7 Pro, and here we will say the Family Link is already installed. Here I have to open this app Family Link, and here I have to tap on arrow icon. Here you can see all our block, and I have to tap on get started. Here I have to select the Gmail accounts helping mind. I will select the Gmail, and here I will tap on view to see the more options. Here we can see manage. We can also manage these settings and locations and other options. Here if we tap on manage settings, we will manage the settings by using settings. Here we can see the apps listing, and here we can see the activity by tapping on activity, and we can also create limits by tapping on limits. Here if we tap on the limit icons, we can set limit by hour or minute. You can see customize the limits by using limit options. I will go back, and here we will see the more options. Parental control settings. Here you can minimize the settings by using parental control settings, and you can filter Google search filter, YouTube filter, Play Store, and many more options. You can see account information, account supervision, and more options, and you can customize the whole settings by using Family Link app. I will go back to see the another options. Here you can see account info and account supervision. If I tap on menu icon, here we can see the approve request, parental access code, notification setting, and many more options. You can customize by menu icon. If I tap on plus icon, by these options we can create a side Google account by using these options. I skip these options. Here if we want to create the side account, you have to tap on plus icon and follow the instructions. In this way you can create a side Google account from these options. You can see my devices, Samsung Galaxy A20. If we enter into the device info, here we can see the device options. We can also create play sound by tapping on play sound options. If we tap on the options here, we can see listen for your child's phone, and it will be played on the supervision's devices. In this way, you can customize many more options by this Family Link app, and you can supervise these devices from this Gmail account. So viewers, in this way we can enable parental controls on our any Android phone. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up and share the video with your friends who want to know how to enable parental controls by using digital well-being and parental controls on their any Android phone. And you can also use Family Link app in this way. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.